What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with a new face. This is Dustin, but not the same Dustin that you saw last week. This is a new Dustin. Who's actually new to Custom Offsets too.
Correct.
And kind of came from the car world and then the tractor world.
Correct.
So now we're going to rate some trucks because that's what we do is we grab new people and throw them into videos. So another episode of From the Gallery. We're going to take a couple trucks from our gallery, rate them on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being not so good, 10 being really good, and then kind of give our reasons why. So we'll just jump right into it.
Let's do it.
Nice. 2015 GMC Sierra 1500 Archon Off-Road Alexander 24x14s. It's on some 35 by 13.5 inch amps and a 7.5 inch rough country. Sorry for the burp, I just slammed a Mountain Dew. Cool. So he's got, looks like headlights as well. He's got big tow mirrors, got those pulled out.
I like that poke. Just hanging out the side.
Yeah, that's the way to go.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, some steps. Archons. 24s. And this has got a, So metal trimming and it still rubs at full turn. Kind of expected that. It's a lot of wheel and tire for a 7.5 inch lift on a 1500. Okay, got a number here.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
7.
Same.
Deal.
It's really nice. I dig it. For some reason, the headlights on this GMC, I'm not sure if I like the little bar style one. I don't know. I actually like the OEM headlights on these model year trucks. But otherwise, I love the color of the truck. It's not just another black truck, which is nice.
Yeah, I would agree. I think I really like the color. I love the wheel tire combo. It looks really good. For me, it's almost there, but it's missing just a couple of little details. You know, I don't know if it's the OEM bumper or if it's just it just needs a little bit more and it would be right there. So.
Oh boy.
Oh.
2015 Toyota Tacoma, OE Performance. So these are OE replicas of a Chevy wheel actually. Yokohama Parada tires and a 3-inch BDS. Wow, that's an interesting combination there. I wouldn't have expected to see BDS on.
It's got underglow.
Lots of underglow.
I'm all
lights.
about that.
These are actually some nice photos, which is always nice to see when people add their vehicles to the gallery. Some good photos. It's a TRD Sport, but this doesn't look like a typical TRD. It's got a grille, spike lugs. He must have. Does he have spacers on here too? Yep, 1.25 inch spacers. Minor plastic trimming, 3-inch in the front, 2-inch in the back. He actually has like quite a bit of stuff done.
Yeah, HIDs, fog lights with halos.
Just a lot of the small detail stuff. Upper and lower grille, radio antenna, remove the mud flaps, license plate covers. Even got those listed. So we got all of the mods.
Comprehensive build list.
All right. I don't want to make anybody mad, but I've got a number in mind. Are you good to go here?
Yeah, I'm good. Let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
5. Ooh, that's aggressive.
Yeah. I really love Tacomas, but the OEM reps from a Chevy on street tires is just not doing it.
Yeah, I think that's what does it for me too. Is like it's like an OEM replica wheel, and then it's like a stretch, like street tire setup, but then it doesn't really have any other like street truck build kind of, other than like the underglow.
Yeah, because it's like if you would have, maybe not this truck, but I can see OE Performance wheels on street tires.
Correct.
And then lowered, and like, you got a street build.
Correct.
But this is OE Performance wheels, street tires, and then lifted
on a
BDS,
TRD.
And a TRD truck, and it's just like.
It's trying to be like two things at the same time. Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. That's why. I'm sorry if that was your truck. If it was mine, I would do it differently, but everybody's got their own taste. Oh, this is, you know Derek Dreher?
Yes.
This is his.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. 2018 F-150 Archon Off-Road Lincolns, 35-inch Needle Ridge grapplers, and a 6-inch rough country. He's actually got the rough country Vertex coilovers.
Ooh.
And then he custom painted these wheels. They're not available in this finish, but Cody Lawson's edit on here makes them look slightly pink, but they're a lot more red.
Like a red.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, I see that they get like a pink tinge to them.
Pink hue. It's because Lawson likes to bring up his teals and his. See this photo. This is a good example of the color. This truck was. Hopefully, we have a before photo that we can put in here. I can't obviously show you, but it was like completely totaled. Like he pretty much like replaced the cab and everything because it was rolled.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
And now it looks like this.
Oh God, so that plays a factor now because you brought that up. So it has to play a factor.
Yes, absolutely.
In my rating on this.
All right. Got it?
I'm good.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
9.
9.
It's a 9 for me.
Really high.
Yep, I like it a lot. It's a little bit more subtle. It's a little less show truck build, but I'm guessing it's a pretty daily driven truck or close
Yeah,
to
he
daily
does
driven.
daily drive it.
Yeah, so
And
for me
still
it's
like big wheels and tires, but
correct. It's a little flashy, it's a little showy, it's got like show wheel tire setup, but it's still very
like
daily drivable.
It's monstrosity.
Yeah.
That drive. Yeah, I actually really do like this truck. And the interior, I'm trying to remember, I think he's got cat skin leather like replacement, and it's got like a diamond stitch and a red stitching, and it's a really nice truck all
done really
together.
well.
The thing that brings it down for me a little bit is actually the red wheels.
Really?
I'm not a huge fan of colored wheels. He's got some other red accent pieces on the truck too, and like it kind of goes well with it, but I just think they stand out way too much. Like,
See, for me, it's just the right amount of color in there. It's just enough to be loud, but not too loud. So, fair enough.
that's the thing. Each person has their own opinion. Everybody
Correct.
can have it. That's fine by me. 2018 Ram 2500, American Force wheels, 24 by 14, negative 90 offset, nil
Ooh.
420s, 305 35s, and it's on a leveling kit. Man,
It's extremely aggressive.
it's amazing what you can fit on a leveled 2500 Ram.
Mm-hmm.
This thing's clean. It's got all the cleared out headlights, so none of the orange like side markers or anything in there.
Yep.
Chrome bumpers, polished wheels, obviously. Kind of a busier wheel. Some
Correct.
people don't like that. And it looks like he's got some sort of like, see these little halos in the fog lights?
Oh, yeah, I
and
see
maybe
that.
some LED in the headlight there.
Does
Hard
he
to
have
tell.
lists on it on the bottom at all?
Let's take a look. No.
Okay.
Nope.
Fully
Custom
deleted.
bed speakers. People keep putting, all right, so there's this thing happening. People are
Okay.
putting wet sounds like boat speakers
Yeah.
in their trucks, in the beds, and I'm just like, I don't know what to think about it.
I don't
I'm
hate
pretty sure
it,
I love
like,
And,
yeah.
I can get on board with that.
It's like what I tried to do in high school, but it didn't work.
Yeah,
you
right.
know.
And now it's like becoming a real thing.
Now it's a
I'm
thing.
Sure, at SEMA this year we're gonna see a ton of that.
Oh yeah, probably.
All right, got a number for this?
Yeah, I'm good.
3, 2, 1.
7.
10.
Oh, okay.
And I usually don't give Rams that high of a score, but I really like this one. I think this would be a sweet daily driver, as long as you're not doing like a ton of towing or anything with it, which is kind of confusing because it's a Cummins and it's a 3/4 ton, but then with street tires, usually they're not rated as high as like your all-terrains or your mud tires, so you gotta watch your load index, load rating there. But if you're just driving this thing around town, this is your grocery getter, I like it.
It's fair. I mean, I like it. I don't hate it, but I guess I don't love it, right? For me, it's like, it's a really aggressive wheel and tire setup, but it's not a really aggressive suspension setup.
Yeah.
So for me, I'm kind of conflicted.
Another Ram.
Ooh.
2013 Ram 1500 on a 4-inch ready lift, and he's got the TS 544 22 by 12s wrapped in some Fury 35 by 12 and a halves. That's pretty stuffed in there.
Yeah, it is.
Typical white and black look. Again, nice photos here. Love when people add good quality photos. By the way, if you ever add your vehicle to the gallery and you have really good photos, there's a good chance that 1, we're going to post it, 2, we're probably going to put it in some sort of ad or something like that. So if you want your truck featured, you get good photos. That's how you get it done. LED headlights, LED fog lights, color match grill, color match bumpers. I believe that's all part of the OEM package.
Okay.
Yeah, you can get like a Sport or something like that, or Express. I don't know what they call them. I'm not super.
Side
familiar
note,
with them.
smoked taillights. I love
Yes,
smoked
I did
taillights.
see that.
Especially on white trucks. It looks so
And
good.
He did a nice job. I always think this is crucial to remind people, if you're going to black out your taillights or smoke your taillights, don't do the reverse section.
Correct.
Where it's clear, because you're going to still want to be able to see at night when you back up.
Yep.
Yeah, really like cleanly done. There's not like a ton done, like lift wheels, tires, tint, you
Yep.
know, smoking some stuff out, black emblems. But I think it looks really nice, actually. All right.
Yeah, I agree.
3, 2, 1.
9.
Yeah.
Sweet.
I think
We
we
agree
kind
on
of
that one.
explained our reasons there. It's
That to me is super dailyable. Like
Oh, for
that's.
sure.
Oh yeah.
for sure. And like Ready Lift does a nice job with these SST kits too. They're less than $1,000, and you get 4 inches out of them. Wheel and tires less than $3,000, so you get a lot of truck for not much money. So I think this is pretty nicely put together. All right, that's another episode of From the Gallery. If you guys want your truck in the gallery to be featured, you got to add it at customautoassist.com/add. If you're wondering what the gallery is and how we know these specs and what fits your vehicles, that's the gallery. You enter in your year, make, model, and then you're able to plug all this in and see exactly what fits your truck and show pictures of what it looks like done. That's it. That's the plug. Thanks, Dustin.
Thanks, dude.
Peace.